Okay, I figured I would just record a video to ask this question because trying to explain this all in a forum would not be easy for me to do. So I'm going to try and lay the camera down here in a way that hopefully you can see all my stuff. So I've got my multimeter, my oscilloscope, and my signal generator. I've got my regular multimeter probe in 10x here, and it's set to 10x appropriately and calibrated. This is just the ground clip, which I extended for reaching purposes and also made it green just to always remind me that that's actually, protective earth ground mains through here through the mains. And then I've got just a RCA cable with my 100 hertz signal coming out of here because I'm actually working on a amplifier for a car right now. So anyways, on to my question. I've got 100 hertz coming out of here. If I ground this and probe it, turn the channel on, I get exactly what I would expect, right? 5.6 volts, more or less, 5 volts what the function generator is putting out, and 100 hertz frequency, right? So it's what I expect. When I unground this, so this probe is no longer, reference to earth mains, I guess, right? And I'm kind of new to a lot of this, so I'm actually really new to a lot of this. And then I probe it without that clip. I don't know if you can read, probably not with my stupid hand in the way, if you can read the scope from here, but it says that this is 60 hertz and greater than 100 volts current, or voltage. So obviously, I suspect AC mains, right? Greater than 99 volts and an obvious wave going through there and 60 hertz. Is this some sort of combination of AC mains and the signal coming out of here being put together on the scope? I'm not sure. I don't see how I could have 100 volts of potential between the tip of this thing and the ground of AC mains, because that makes me think if I'm grounded, right, which is common all the time, right? Like, I'm not misunderstanding this, am I? If I go out and I'm standing outside next to the electrical box, then I'm basically grounded, right? Or if my feet are in the water, or if I go down in the basement and grab the exposed copper, ground wire for the house, I'm essentially grounded. Does that mean if I touch the tip of this while I'm grounded, I'm going to have 120 volts of AC going through me, or whatever the scope said, greater than 99? Am I misunderstanding something here? What am I missing? Because I feel like this little signal generator pumping out this tiny little 100 hertz wave to test would not pump 100 volts through me if I went and touched that ground rod that's exposed for obvious reasons. So what am I missing here? And then the reason I have my multimeter out is because I figured, okay, I'm new to using an oscilloscope, but I've been using multimeters for 20 years. So maybe when I measure this, I'll get different results. I do a little bit when I put it on the earth main grounds of just this other probe, and I touch this. Oh, sorry, I'm in DC. I put in AC. Hopefully you can. Damn. I'm not a video creator here, so as you can tell. So I'm touching the tip of the signal generator, that 100 hertz signal coming out, AC mains. I actually get 48 volts AC. That sounds kind of dangerous. Does this mean that if I were to touch this with my finger instead and touch the tip of this signal generator RCA cable coming out, that I've got 48 volts of AC going through me? And also interesting, it's the same on both here, so I imagine that's, I don't know, I thought it would maybe go plus or minus, but I guess that's AC, so it's just like a RMS value of whatever the voltage difference is between these. So anyways, yeah, this is just not what I expected. I didn't expect to see 50 volts of AC from from earth ground to a simple signal generator output. So hopefully in this video I've said enough things that one of you professional guys or gals will hear, and it will trigger something in your head to say, oh yeah, he doesn't know what he's talking about and this is why. And then you can explain to me where my thought process is going wrong or what I'm missing here. So thank you in advance, I appreciate it.